The SABRENT Rocket 3231TB NVMe SSD is a compelling option for anyone needing a powerful storage upgrade in a tiny package. This drive is specifically designed for devices like the Steam Deck or Microsoft Surface, where space is at a premium. Forget sketchy pulled OEM drives. This is a brand new retail product with a full warranty and support, including cloning software and firmware updates. Its small 2230 form factor doesn't mean it compromises on performance. Boasting PCIe Gen 4 speeds, you can expect up to 5 Gbps read speeds and up to 800K IOPS, making loading times a breeze. While designed for Gen 4, it's backward compatible with older PCIe generations, offering excellent latency even in older systems. One of the standout features is the 1 TB capacity. Many 2230 drives are limited in storage, forcing users to rely on slower microSD cards or pay exorbitant prices for larger capacities. The Rocket 2230 lets you keep your entire game library or important files readily accessible. Under the hood, you'll find a cutting-edge PCIe 4.0 NVMe controller paired with 3D TLC NAND flash. This combination delivers desktop-class performance in a compact size. The DRAM-less design with HMB support also ensures it won't overheat your device. If you're looking for a high-performance, large-capacity SSD in a compact size, the SABRENT Rocket 2231TB is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.